everyone, welcome to my YouTube space. Today we'll be making a very beautiful and simple A-line dress. These are the things I'll be using for this tutorial, and I am using an Ankara fabric for this gown tutorial. First of all, I took my gown length, which is about 45 inches. I marked it out, then I used my scissors to cut it out. I am very sorry the full length of this fabric is not showing in this video. Thereafter, I started taking my body measurements. I am starting this cutting with the back panel, so this is my back neckline, 1 inch depth and 3 inches. Then I divided my shoulder measurement by 2, then impute it, which is 8 inches, and marked it out. Then 1 inch for the shoulder slope, ruled it out. Then my armhole depth, which is also like your bust point, mine is 8 inches. I marked it out, and my shoulder to my waistline, my shoulder to my hip line too. So my shoulder to my hip line is about 9 inches from my waist. Then I extended those lines. I extended the waistline. That's my armhole line. Further extended that one, which is now my bust point. Then I also went ahead to extend the hip line. After that, I started imputing my body measurements, my bust measurements divided by 4, add 1 inch for ease and about 2 inches or 1.5 inches for sewing allowance. My waist divided by 4, add your ease inch and the sewing allowance, also same thing for my hip measurement. Then I connected those lines together. This is me trying to get the curve, the hip curve, with my pattern master. Try to highlight it very well so that you can see it. Then from the edge of the fabric, to get that A-line effect, I'm also very sorry this part is not showing very well. I'll draw a straight line from that edge down to the hip point to give it that A-line effect. Then at the bottom of it, I'll go up by 1 inch, then just blend it in like this to give it a bit of a curve. Then I cut it off camera. I folded another fabric into 2. This is now from the front pattern. Everything else is going to be the same, aside the front armhole is a bit deeper and the neckline for the front is also different. Trying to place my fabric properly. I marked it up there. Then I came in about 6 inch, but I later increased it because it was too small. Since this dress doesn't have a zipper, it has to be open enough to go through your head comfortably, so I increased it later on. And I'm going to mark out, extend all this armhole line, the waistline. Same thing I did for the front. I'll divide my shoulder by 2, come down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope, marked it. I'm just repeating what I did for the first one, just that the armhole for the front panel is going to be deeper. Yes, then I'll draw a line. Then this line I just marked now, I'll measure it, then divide it by 2, come in by half an inch or an inch, then grade the curve. So this armhole is deeper than the back panel. That's the difference. Then I'll place it back and just cut out everything else same way I did for the back. I'm very sorry, I would have extended this fabric a bit upward so that I can see everything I'm doing. I'll just cut it out. Yes, then that's the difference. The armhole for the front is deeper than that for the back. Then I folded a piece of fabric into 2. I'm trying to get the facing for the front neckline. Just watch as I do it. You get a small fabric and fold it into 2. Go out by 2 inch. Just follow what I'm doing. Go out by like 2 inches or 2.5 or 3 inches. Draw it out, then cut it out for the facing to use to turn the neckline for the front. Then I cut it out. So if you're going to turn it, the back face. Yes, that's it. Also for the back, I also cut it facing out for the back. And I folded the fabric into 4 for my sleeve. My sleeve length was about 25 inches. Then my sleeve cap height is 4 inches. I'll measure my round armhole. Divide it by, yes. Add your sewing allowance to it. Then you just draft a straight line to the edge at the top like that. Come to the middle and try to draft a curve as I am doing. It's a very simple way I draft my sleeve. I'm sorry, the line is also not showing very well at the top. I marked it out and I cut it. This is me I changed the position of this pattern so that I can see how I'm cutting it. You can see how I'm going to get the curve now. Yes, perfect. Our sleeve is ready. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And this is the outcome after I joined everything. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and see you next time.